Hey guys, so today we'll be trying our Bantu knot, actually goddess Bantu knot. So first of all, we're going to pre-part our hair. Yes, we're going to pre-part our hair. I started with the front section because, well, I felt that would be easier for me to get this design I wanted. So we're just going to pre-part our hair, that just like I'm doing here. You have the front section, you have the back, then you have the middle section, just like I'm doing right now. Well, my line wasn't that straight because I was doing it myself. So it was actually nice. So I'm just gonna prepare it. So after you're done with that, you're just going to section the front part into 4 places because I wanted my bantu knot to be medium size. I didn't want it to be too small or too big. So I sectioned the first half into 2 halves, 2 equal halves, and started my bantu knot. So I used the rubber band way of doing your braids. I used that because I just didn't want to use the normal way. So I braided my hair first, then you add your hair extension to it inside so that it will not show that you added hair extension. You get? Yes. So once you're done with that, I added my twisted braid already. I added it and just braided it all together to get my goddess braid design, just like I'm doing right now. So here I'm done with one part of my Bantu braid. So I'm just going to knot it. Just give it a twirl round and round and round and round to my desired. I wanted it pointy and slim. So I just wrapped it, and pulled it. And here is one part of my goddess braid. Oh, I was so happy when I saw this. Then we're just going to do the second part using the rubber band method of braiding. So we're just going to use the same method of the first Bantu knot. You braid your hair, braid it with the hair extension. Then you add your curly braid or your curly hair extension to your Bantu knot, and you weave it together. You braid it all together. Then you make sure that the curly extension doesn't get into with the braid extension. You get what I'm saying? So that's just what I was doing here. I was just weaving and trying my best not to attach the curly extension to the normal braid extension. So here I'm done with the second Bantu knot. I'm just going to knot it, wrap it around, and bring out my curly extension because that's like the beauty of my whole hairstyle. So just gonna wrap it around. And once you're done with that, you repeat it for the second part, and just like I did here. So once you're done with that, you repeat it at the whole hair. And so guys, this is the whole hair. I hope you like it. I made the goddess Bantu knot. It's really pretty. I love it.